always say thank you in English?
Yes, I know thank you, but sometimes I want to sound warmer.
Exactly. Thank you is good, but English has many natural chunks to show real gratitude.
I want to sound kind, natural, and not robotic.
Today, you'll learn 5 English chunks for saying thank you naturally.
So I can thank people in different situations.
Yes, you can use these chunks at work, in class, online, with friends, or in daily life.
Nice! I want my English to sound warmer.
Great! Let's learn the chunks. Imagine this. You are at work. You have a problem with your computer.
Oh no, I don't know how to fix it.
Then a coworker helps you. Now you want to thank them in a warm and natural way.
I could say, thank you so much.
Perfect. That is our first chunk. Chunk number 1. Thank you so much.
Meaning, thank you very much.
Use it when someone helps you, gives you something, or does something kind.
Example, thank you for waiting for me.
Common mistake. Some learners say, thank you very so much.
That sounds incorrect.
Better, thank you so much. Simple and natural. Chunk number 2. I really appreciate it.
Meaning, I value your help or kindness.
Use it when you want to sound more sincere and polite.
Example, I really appreciate it. You helped me a lot.
Common mistake. Don't say, I very appreciate it.
What should I say?
Say, I really appreciate it. That sounds natural. Chunk number 3. Thanks for your help.
Meaning, thank you for helping me.
Use it when someone gives you support, advice, or assistance.
Example, thanks for your help with the report.
Common mistake. Don't say, thanks for help me.
Better?
Better, thanks for your help or thanks for helping me. Chunk number 4. That means a lot.
Meaning, your kindness is important to me.
Use it when someone supports you, encourages you, or says something kind.
Example, thank you. That means a lot.
Common mistake. Don't use it for tiny things, like someone passing you a pen.
So it is more emotional.
Yes, use it when you feel truly thankful. Chunk number 5. I owe you one.
Meaning, you helped me, so I want to help you next time.
Use it in friendly and casual situations.
Example, thanks for covering my shift. I owe you one.
Deal. See? That sounds warm and natural. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. First, slow speed. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I really appreciate it.
I really appreciate it.
Thanks for your help.
Thanks for your help.
That means a lot.
That means a lot.
I owe you one.
I owe you one.
Now normal speed. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I really appreciate it.
I really appreciate it.
Thanks for your help.
Thanks for your help.
That means a lot.
That means a lot.
I owe you one.
I owe you one.
Now natural speed. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thanks for your help. That means a lot. I owe you one.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thanks for your help. That means a lot. I owe you one.
Now let's reuse the chunks by changing one part.
Great. This helps me speak more naturally.
Thank you so much for.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much for your advice.
Thank you so much for helping me.
I really appreciate.
I really appreciate your help.
I really appreciate your support.
I really appreciate your time.
Thanks for.
Thanks for your help.
Thanks for the ride.
Thanks for the reminder.
That means a lot to.
That means a lot to me.
Your support means a lot.
Your kind words mean a lot.
I owe you one.
I owe you one for this.
I owe you one. Coffee's on me.
I owe you one. Let me help you next time.
Mini challenge time. Write or say one sentence using one of today's chunks.
For example, thank you so much for your help.
Or, I really appreciate your support.
Let's review today's 5 chunks.
Thank you so much.
I really appreciate it.
Thanks for your help.
That means a lot.
I owe you one.
These chunks help you sound warmer and more natural in English.
Subscribe to FluentMindee to learn English in natural chunks.